Hello friends, today's question, a function x given as a sine square omega t plus b cos square omega t plus c sine omega t, and it is to be multiplied by cos omega t, this term was missing, represent an SHM, and we have to find out all these conditions, whether substituting this condition in the given equation, whether that particular final expression is going to behave as an SHM or not. Okay. And so we know that for representing an SHM, all, whether it is in sine form or it is in cos form, all these should be in the linear powers. So we can say for representing SHM, the sine and cosine functions should have linear powers. So therefore, we are going to convert the given equation into another equation which is having a linear powers. So the given equation was our x is equal to a sine square omega t plus b cos square omega t plus c sine omega t multiplied by cos omega t. So we are going to divide and multiply each expression, individual expression, by 2. You can write this as x will be equal to a by 2, and this becomes twice sine square omega t plus b by 2, and this also becomes twice cos square omega t plus c by 2, and this becomes twice sine omega t multiplied by cos omega t. We are going to open by using the trigonometric formula. We get this as x is equal to a by 2. So this will be 1 minus cos 2 omega t plus b by 2, 1 plus cos 2 omega t, and our last one will be plus c by 2, and we have this is sine 2 omega t. And let us verify one by one options, substituting value of a, b and c according to given condition, and try to sort it out what is the final expression for x. Let us start with option A. So option A says for any value of a and b, for any value of a, b and c, but for c it is putting one condition, that this c cannot be equal to 0. So let us try it for the easiest part. We put a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, but c cannot be equal to 0. So a is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, and c cannot be equal to 0. We substitute it here. We get that our x will be equal to, first term becomes 0, second term also becomes 0, but the third term is our c by 2 sine 2 omega t. So this becomes 0 plus 0 plus c by 2 sine 2 omega t, and this is our c by 2 sine 2 omega t. So this expression represents the SHM. This equation it represents SHM. So it means option A is true. Option A is correct. So this we have a correct option. Now let us try for option B. Option B, we have given that A is equal to minus of B, C is equal to 2B, and we are given that the amplitude that will be coming will be equal to modulus of B square root of 2. So once again, let us put in the equation. So we are given that A is equal to minus B, so therefore we get that X is equal to minus B by 2, 1 minus cos 2 omega t plus B by 2, 1 plus cos 2 omega t, and C is said to be equal to 2B. So we get this as 2B divided by 2, and here we have sine 2 omega t. So this 2 and 2 cancels out, and you can write that our X will be coming equal to as X will be equal to, we can open the bracket, and opening the bracket will be giving us minus B by 2 plus B by 2 cos omega t plus B by 2 plus B by 2 cos omega t, and finally it will be B sine of 2 omega t. These two terms cancels out, and this are same, they are going to add up. So we are going to get X will be equal to B cos omega t plus, sorry, I think I missed one part. Yeah, here I missed, it is twice, my mistake. This is twice. So twice, and this becomes B sine 2 omega t, and we can take B as common. So this will be B, and we have cos 2 omega t plus sine 2 omega t. Okay. Now we are going to divide and multiply by square root of 2. So we can write this as X will be equal to square root of 2B and 1 by square root of 2 sine of 2 omega t plus 1 upon square root of 2 cos of 2 omega t. So now we can write this as B, this becomes cos of 45, and we have sine of 2 omega t plus sine of 45 cos of 2 omega t. So we get this as X is equal to square root of 2B, and this is equal to sine of 2 omega t plus 45. So in this case, this is the equation for SHM, and the amplitude is represented as square root of 2B. This is the equation for SHM, and amplitude is equal to square root of 2B. It means the option number B is also correct. Option B is correct. Now let us try option C. Option C, we are given that A is equal to B and we have C is equal to 2B. So once again, we can write that X will be equal to B by 2, 1 minus cos 2 omega t plus B by 2, 1 plus cos 2 omega t, and this will be a plus 2b divided by 2 sine of 2 omega t. 2 and 2 cancels out, and once again we are going to open the bracket. We get this as x is equal to b by 2 minus b by 2 cos 2 omega t plus b by 2 plus b by 2 cos 2 omega t plus b, and we have sine 2 omega t. These two terms cancels out and we have this b by 2 and b by 2. We add them, that becomes b. So we get that x is equal to b plus b sine 2 omega t. And this is the equation for SHM, and SHM is about the point x is equal to b. So you can write this is equation of SHM about point x is equal to b. And finally, so option number C, amplitude is, this was option D, sorry, my mistake. This was option D, and also the amplitude is modulus of B, and amplitude is equal to modulus of B. So we have that option D is also correct. Let us find out now option number C. So we can say option D is correct. Option D is correct. So now the last part, that option number D, and which gives that A is equal to B and C is equal to 0. A is equal to B, C is equal to 0. So once again we can write that our x is equal to b by 2, 1 minus cos 2 omega t plus b by 2, 1 plus cos 2 omega t, c is 0, so this part will be 0. We open the bracket, we get this as b by 2 minus b by 2 cos 2 omega t plus b by 2 and plus b by 2 cos 2 omega t. These two terms cancels out, so we get x is equal to b by 2 plus b by 2. So we get x is equal to b by 2 plus b by 2, which is equal to b. So this is not the equation for SHM. This is not the equation for SHM. Therefore option number C is incorrect. Option C is incorrect. That means the option number C is incorrect. So the correct options are option number A, option number B, and option number D. So we can summarize it, that correct options are A, B, and D. So this completes the question. Thank you.